Sudhiti Numani student, how are you? I hope you all are well at your home. Dear student, we have completed Let's Try 1 to 9 in your course book of chapter 3rd. Today I am going to start Let's Try 10. Now we read Let's Try 10. Read the sentences, write a, an or the in the blanks. One has been done for you. Means यहाँ आपको ए, एन और द का यूज करना है. Article a, an or the I have already explained in previous video. Now I will revise how to use a, an or the. There are two different types of articles, definite and indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. The is the definite article. Indefinite article A. A is used before common nouns which are in singular number which begin with the consonant sound. Example, a book, a pen, etc. Indefinite article an. An is used before common nouns which are in singular number and which begin with a vowel sound. Example, an apple, an egg, etc. Some words begin with a consonant what we use an before them. Example, an, honest, and hour. Here, hour and honest both words begin with consonant word. Here H is silent, so we use an before them. Definite article the. The is used when we speak of same noun again. The is used before particular nouns. The is used before the names of river, mountains, newspaper, holy books, oceans, etc. First sentence, I found an orange boat. Here we use an before orange. Next, I went sailing in the boat. We use the before boat. Next, Tanmay bought a toy from a man. Here we use a before toy and a before man. The man was standing under a tree. Here we use the before man and a before tree. Next, Alap drew an elf on his friend's birthday card. He also drew a flower next to the elf. Here we use an before elf and a before flower and the before elf. Sentence we use the before elf because elf is the same noun again. So we use the before elf. Next, a duck is walking around the park. Here we use a before duck and the before park, which is in front of my building. Next, Tanya read a story about an alligator. The alligator was very lonely as no one wanted to be friends with it. We use an before alligator and the before alligator because alligator is the same noun again. So we use the before alligator. Next, Bumble is a baby elephant. The baby elephant wants to learn to fly. Here we use a before a baby elephant and the before baby elephant again because baby elephant is the same noun again. So we use the. I saw a big bag on my bed. The bag belonged to my brother. Here we use a before a big bag and the before bag because bag is the same noun again. Next, can you wind this string into the top? Here we use the before. Last I will check your homework. My turn to in practice book. Read these words aloud and then put them in the correct sentence. One has been done for you. मीन्स इन शब्दों को जोर से पढ़िए, उसके बाद करेक्ट सेंटेंस में करेक्ट शब्द फिल कीजिए। क्विट, स्क्विल, क्वाइट, क्वेल, इक्वल, क्वीन, क्विकली, क्विकर, squirrel. The squirrel ran down the tree. Next, the queen bee called all the workers to her hive. Next, we will have to get home quickly before the sun set. Next, the quail is a smaller bird than a pigeon. Next, she quivered and shook with anger. Mother cut the cake into equal parts. Next, everyone was fast asleep and the house was quiet. Next, I leave, I am going, I quit, shouted the doctor. Next, the baby gave a happy squeal. Dear student, it is enough for today. Now note your homework, my turn 3. You have to do in your practice book, and next day I will check your my turn 3. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.